Parrots, or citizines, are a diverse group of brightly colored birds known for their intelligence, vocal abilities, and vibrant plumage. Belonging to the order Psittaciformes, parrots are native to tropical and subtropical regions of Central and South America, Africa, Australia, and Asia. There are around 393 species of parrots, including popular types like the macaw, cockatoo, African grey, budgerigar, and Amazon parrot. Parrots are easily recognized by their strong, curved beaks, which are perfect for cracking nuts and seeds. Their zygodactyl feet, 2 toes pointing forward and 2 backward, make them excellent climbers and help them grasp objects with great dexterity. Most parrot species have brightly colored feathers, ranging from greens, blues, reds, yellows, to oranges, depending on the species. Parrots range in size from the tiny pygmy parrot, measuring around 3.1 inches to 8 centimeters, to the large hyacinth macaw, which can grow up to 3.3 feet, 1 meter, in length. Their feathers often exhibit iridescence, and some species, like the cockatoo, have crests they can raise to communicate emotions or ward off predators. Parrots are primarily found in tropical and subtropical regions, with the greatest diversity in rainforests. However, some species are adapted to savannas, grasslands, and even mountainous areas. Australia and South America are hotspots for parrot diversity. For instance, Australia is home to cockatoos and budgerigars, while the Amazon basin harbors vibrant macaws and parrotlets. Some species, such as the monk parakeet, have adapted to urban environments and can even be found in temperate areas after being introduced there. Parrots are primarily herbivores, feeding on a wide variety of seeds, nuts, fruits, buds, and flowers. Some species, particularly those in the wild, also consume insects and small animals to supplement their diet. Parrots use their powerful beaks to crack open nuts and seeds, and their agile tongues help them manipulate food inside their mouths. Certain species, like the lorikeet, have specialized brush-tipped tongues that allow them to feed on nectar and pollen from flowers. In the wild, parrots play an important role in their ecosystems as seed dispersers, helping maintain the balance of plant life in their habitats. Parrots are among the most intelligent birds on the planet, comparable to primates in problem-solving skills and social complexity. They are known for their mimicry of human speech and sounds, particularly species like the African grey parrot and Amazon parrots. In captivity, some parrots can learn hundreds of words and even understand the context in which to use them, as shown in famous cases like Alex the African grey. In the wild, parrots are highly social and often live in flocks. They use a range of vocalizations to communicate, from squawks and screams to whistles and songs. Social interaction is essential for parrots, and they can develop strong bonds with their flock members or human caregivers. Parrots are also known for their playfulness. They enjoy toys, climbing, and solving puzzles, activities that help them stay mentally stimulated. Their zygodactyl feet allow them to handle objects with precision, and they often use their beaks and feet to manipulate their environment. Parrots are generally monogamous and form strong pair bonds that can last for life. During the breeding season, parrots engage in courtship behaviors such as feeding each other or performing elaborate displays. They typically nest in tree cavities, although some species, like the monk parakeet, build large communal nests out of sticks. Females usually lay between 2 to 8 eggs, depending on the species. The eggs are incubated for about 18 to 30 days, with both parents taking turns guarding the nest and feeding the chicks once they hatch. Parrot chicks are born altricial, helpless and featherless, and they remain in the nest for several weeks until they fledge. Parrots are known for their long lifespans, especially in captivity. Some species, like the African grey and macaws, can live up to 60 to 80 years or more in the right conditions. Even smaller species, like cockatiels and budgerigars, can live between 10 to 20 years if properly cared for. This long lifespan makes owning a parrot a significant, long-term commitment for pet owners. Many parrot species face significant threats due to habitat destruction, deforestation, and the illegal pet trade. The Spix's macaw, for example, was driven to extinction in the wild, largely due to habitat loss in the Brazilian rainforest. Conservation programs have attempted to reintroduce this species back into the wild, along with other endangered species. Illegal trapping and trading of parrots for the pet market have caused major population declines. Laws such as CITES, Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species, and various local conservation efforts are working to protect parrots and ensure their survival. Parrots have long been admired for their beauty and intelligence and have appeared in mythology, art, and literature across different cultures. In Aztec and Mayan civilizations, parrots were often associated with rainforests and considered sacred birds. Indigenous tribes in the Amazon still use parrot feathers in their ceremonial headdresses and other cultural artifacts. Parrots are also popular as pets, with their ability to mimic human speech and their vibrant personalities making them sought-after companions. However, their care requires significant time, attention, and commitment due to their long lifespans and complex needs. Parrots are extraordinary birds known for their vivid colors, sharp minds, and social nature. Whether in the wild or in captivity, they exhibit remarkable intelligence, forming strong bonds with their flock or human caretakers. While they face numerous threats from habitat loss and the pet trade, conservation efforts are underway to ensure the survival of these fascinating birds. Their beauty, intelligence, and unique behaviors have made parrots one of the most beloved and admired birds in the world.